Hi, good day to everyone. Welcome you back to WinTOTO video tutorial. Today, we'd like to discuss a little bit more special we call the grouping, alright? So for those people who just log into this video, this software that you're looking right now is known as the WinTOTO Advance software. It's actually developed by our own company, right? From this company called it's from this company called Examplix Technologies Private Limited. So for those people who just log in, a very big thank you for watching, and those who have been watching, very big welcome to you. Now, before we go ahead with that, we need to click on the help, check about WinTOTO Advance, and then take a look at which version you're in. Current version right now is version 2.9. Alright, so making sure that you are in this version. Alright, now for those who wish to upgrade your software, just give Mr. Tan a call at 938-1524. Alright, good. Now we're going to talk today is about this thing called the groupings. So I think I've shown this the last week on this display table, which you can see over here. Alright, and then later I'll touch a little bit about here, but today we go a bit special called the grouping. As you can see here, a half yellow and a half red, right? So I click onto here. Okay, this grouping I'm talking about is called the Super 9. What does Super 9 means? We can actually categorize them into groups of 9. So for example, 1 to 5 is one group, and then 6 to 10, and this is how it goes. Alright, so altogether you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether there are 9 groups. Now, as you can see over here, currently what we are working on right now, there's one very special group which is called this group here, 26 to 30. Alright, so let me click one more time to view pop up. Okay, so 26 to 30, these are the one. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It did not appear for how many draws? 2 draws. Basing on the past trend, this particular group had a very good chance. Meaning to say, numbers starting from 26. Okay, starting from 26 to 30. As you can see over here. Okay, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, looking at here itself, of course you want to work on neighbor wise, definitely number 30 is worth looking at. It's definitely one of the good sets for you to take a look. So you already had one set of number, or else you may want to focus on this group of numbers. Okay, and usually people from here, they will pick 1 or 2 numbers from here. Alright, now alternatively, you can also pick using another way, is called the using this thing called this is called the vertical. Alright, this is called the horizontal way, and then you click here, you look at this thing called the pop up. Okay, this is the vertical way of looking. So group E, okay, currently is a blank. Very good chance of it appearing at least 1 or 2 sets from here. So you can see first you got all these numbers to pick as well. All these 9 numbers. So you may want to focus your pick from this group of number from 5, number 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Again, you can see from here, okay, that over here, 30 is one of them again. So 26 to 30 is really one of the very good numbers for you to take a look at. Now alternatively, you may say, okay, let's say 16 to 20. 16 to 20, you may want to take a look at number 20 if you want to. Alright, you can also pick numbers, all these blanks here, right? Which is another group that's blank here is 36 to 40, which is over here. So you have got one set of number, known as number 30. Alright, then over here, you may say, okay, 36 to 40, you got one number 40. Alright, now again, for 41 to 45, you may want to take 45, which is over here. Okay? So there are many methods for you to group. That in WinTOTO Advance, it has an advantage that we have all this flexibility, and the way the data has been arranged is very flexible for you to actually do it your own way, your own style. You can actually tabulate it yourself. WinTOTO Advance can be done. So if you wish to know more about how this WinTOTO Advance works, give us a call at 938-1524 to Mr. Tan. I think he's most glad to answer most of your questions. So for those people who are just logged in, for this coming week that we're talking about, which is on the 21st of December, do take note of number 30, 40, 45. These are all very good numbers. Alright, so let's come back to the display table. Now number 30, as you can see, is the neighbor. Alright, so just now we talked about number 40 is also another neighbor set. So these two sets looks very promising and very potential. Alright, now looking at all these tables here, as you can see, display table is one part of it. The other one that we talk about is using the grouping. Alright, we call it grouping. Alright, as you can see over here, it's called display standard grouping statistics. There are many ways for you to group. In fact, if you take a look, you can group in according to super 3, super 5 and all those things. There are many ways, high and low. Alright, so the one that I just discussed is called the super 9. Right. Thank you very much for those who have just logged in to watch this video. All I want to say is that we will continue to produce the video to the best we could to assist all our TOTO enthusiasts, and we really hope that from here all of us would one day hit a good jackpot prize. Alright? But I always believe that in any game that we have, we must have a very good statistics table. So WinTOTO Advance is truly a software that you must have when you want to play your TOTO games in Singapore and in other countries as well. So currently our data consists of, as you can see here, we got Australia, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Taiwan, United Kingdom and United States. So we got a lot more. Okay, so not to worry, you can use our WinTOTO Advance and more data will be added on. So over here, for those who are considering getting a set of WinTOTO Advance, feel free to give us a call at 9230-0837, or you can also call 9388-1524. So that's all I want to say for this coming draw, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for those who have been watching, all your time spent watching it, and may I take this chance to wish you and your family a very happy, healthy, and most importantly, very good weekends. And yes, win more, jackpot.